Hey, what's up, guys? This is Future. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Future-Proof. Hey, what's up? This is Future-Proof FPV here, coming to you from Atascadero, California. I'm gonna go ahead and beam up two 65mm whoops up against each other. One of them is going to be a brushless, and one of them is going to be a brushed. What I have here is, let's take a look here. What I have here is a little corgi. He's a little corgi. Oh, little corgi. Here I have the beebrain lite 65mm frame with 7mm motors against the BetaPro 2 brushless 0802 12,000 kV motors on a 65mm frame with an Eachine US65 canopy. They both have tri-props, and I'm not sure about the weight on each, but they're both 25 milliwatts. I'll get you guys the weights maybe later. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do a run around my backyard here, run them through their paces, and then you guys can see the video after and kind of make your decision on what you would go with. I'd say these are brand new, fresh Bald Eagle motors from Tiny Whoop, and these are pretty. This is a pretty new setup here. It's a little dirty. It's got some grass on it and shit, but it should rock it out of here. I'm using the Jumper T12, which is absolutely amazing. The range on it is different between receivers on it. Honestly, I've been having just different instances where it'll drop out. But anyways, and I'm using the V2 Fat Sharks right here, which are very nice. And I have them a little bit. I never mentioned this, guys, but I have like little. I took out some lenses from some old glasses and just went ahead and taped them into there, because in my case I have diplopia in one eye. I got in an accident, and so I have double vision in this left eye, so flying FPV is really hard. I never even mentioned that. It should be like one-eyed FPV. Anyways, I want to go buy Future-Proof FPV. I just like it, so let me know, guys, if you think that's a bad name or whatever. Bye.
Been thinking about the old me, 'cause I've been feeling empty. I never used to be so dead inside. I think I lost my memory. I can't remember carefree, and all my
Alright, so I had started the challenge as being a 2S brushless versus a pretty advanced 1S brushed, and that was really good battle. Of course, you just watched that, and you know what? I feel like I have to invite the Tiny Hawk into this competition here, because both of those had really unique qualities. I mean, one of them is a 2S, one of them is a 1S, and the 1S is flying like a 2S, and the 2S is doing a really good job, you know, and so it's just really hard to decide. So I'm going to bring in this, this guy's going to rock the 450 1S brushless, and it's a pusher, so I think it's in its own category. So we're going to go ahead and have some footage of that. I'm pushing these batteries really hard, guys, if you can't tell. I'm doing pretty much the best I can I have a lot of grass around here, so I don't want to eat shit too much. Pretty much every flight I eat shit, so. Alright, so as you may have seen right now, the Tiny Hawk with the Mockingbird setup had a rough flight. I almost dove through a tree, and then I didn't really want to dive through. Anyways, I got stuck in some grass and I made it out. The Mockingbird's really resilient, has really strong motors in it. I really like the smoothness of it. I hardly get any jello in that setup. I have reinforced it with a little bit of welder glue, but other than that, it's just all stocked up. And the Tiny Hawk is a really good buy as well. And anyways, I'll post some prices at the bottom for each of these. And I'm running that T12 all day. It does have a little less signal than the Tyrannus, but not much. And I keep a nice 652S in it. Wait a minute. So this is Future Proof FPV, and I am out. Yeah, so really enjoying the weather right now. Hope to see you guys soon. Like and subscribe. Peace.